was gonna pull over
idiot.
there, but I guess not.
Stupid dummy. He was gonna just drive.
I don't know if this is the street or not, but I'm going up it anyway.
Nice house.
I swear if they have speed bumps up here.
I doubt it. People take horse and carriage up here. At least that's what the sign said.
Oh, really?
That'd be a cool one to have, eh?
Nice couch.
Yeah, I want to sit in that now. Soaking wet.
Fuck, this would be fun to go fast on. Not even though, because the road's probably so shit. Oh yeah, this is the house. There's a house up here that has crazy lights.
Which one?
There's one right up here. You'll see it. It's, well, you won't see it right now because it's fucking daytime, but yeah, this is where they have the horses and stuff.
Ah.
You should see this house during, like, they have the whole house lit up.
I can see the lights.
Yeah,
on.
it's all white lights too.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. The trailer park.
Yeah, let's not kill us.
I can turn. What's the speed limit? Oh, I'm only going 40 over.
Nice. That just blinks the whole time it's off.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, because you can turn it off and then you can like fully turn it off. And I fully turned it off, so it's blinking now.
Probably if you move the anvil, your car would be completely fucked.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, let's just go flip over onto the highway.
It's just spinning consistently there because of the fucking thingy. And it's wet out, which is helping.
Yeah. It's lubing it up nice. Give me the ticket, you idiot. Lots. Towel.
Ah, like fucking.
What?
The dually.
Dually. That's a sexy dually.